Thanks Manjinder. Myself Byan, and I am going to discuss with you what is e-commerce, the next technology. E-commerce is the e-commerce can be defined as digitally enabled transactions, means transactions which are digitally enabled. Digital transactions include transactions that are mediated by digital technology, and commercial transactions include organizations and individuals who achieve value by selling their products and services, and they increase and they encourage customer convenience and customer satisfaction. Now I am going to discuss where we can see e-commerce technology visible. As for example, website. E-commerce technology comes under website, as websites are used to get every kind of information such as ticket information, buying tickets, booking seats and placing orders. All these kinds of information can be get through websites, and websites provide a convenient way to get any kind of information, can attend live meetings, can attend video conferences, which proves very beneficial for the customers as well as for the organizations. Next one is online marketing. Online marketing includes buying and selling, exchanging of services and goods online, that is performed on internet. Audio video conference. Under audio video conference, we can say, for example, face-to-face meetings, as the organizations can attend face-to-face meeting, as it is a most convenient way for business people who can increase, who can develop their market and can save their time and money. Email. Through email, the organization, airline can make the customers aware of the brands, of the flight schedules, of the fare structure, of the terms and conditions and the latest policies. Online, again online transactions means selling and buying, exchanging services and goods on the internet. These all things comes under e-commerce. Now I am going to discuss how Singapore Airlines employs e-commerce. Singapore Airlines has web presence, means Singapore Airlines have their own website through which they can attract their customers, they can inform their customers about the delay and schedule of different flights, if there is any change, what is the time of the departure, if it is cancelled, what is the time of the arrival of the airlines, so that its customers can easily get without physically going there. It sends email to frequent flyer members so that they can easily get information about the changing schedule, about the changing timings, about the changing fare structure and all the terms and conditions and the coming policies, including latest information. Customer can buy tickets online, as they have no need to go to ticket offices, and they can easily get tickets in just fraction of seconds. It provides secure payment transactions, as it implies 3D secure system. The customers can easily log on to the card issuer site in order to verify their card ownership. Next, I am going to discuss how emerging technologies impact airline industry. It has impact airline industry in a very beneficial way. It has large impact on airline industry, as the traditional business model has been changed into new one. There is no need to go physically to travel agents or ticket offices. Just everything can be done on internet in just seconds. Its functions and staffing has been changed, as the functions, the operations which take many hours to perform can be performed in just seconds. Revenue increase, automatically it gives way to increase in revenue, as it is far more than cost investment that is applied in the airlines. The functions are done quickly, and in this way, as every operation is performed on internet, so it's performed on much cheaper and faster rate. Emerging technology has increased the speed of airline industry staff in performing functions. Now the staff need no need to wait for many hours to perform the function. The same function can be performed just in millions of seconds. Now I am going to discuss what are the benefits of emerging technologies to the airline industries. Airline industry has increased online profitability. How online profitability has increased? It has increased online yield, online volume, so it has increased online profitability. It is used for customer convenience. Customers are more satisfied as they are getting the required information in time, and they are getting that information in secured position. Return over investment, as their company's return is far more than their cost investment, that why is proving much more beneficial. Global reach, it's providing global reach, as anyone can from anywhere attain any kind of information regarding airlines. With the use of emerging technology, industry can do all operation faster than before. Again, the same point, as it has increased all the function speed, everyone can get any information, any operation at much faster rate than earlier. Now I would like to give some time to my friend Jasmita so that she can discuss what is the conclusion with you. Thanks.